For round 1, we'll start with a magic circle or adjustable ring and chain 2. Today I'm using a 4-weight chunky yarn. The pink hat is a 5-weight chunky yarn, and I'm also using a 5mm crochet hook. You'll need a yarn needle and a pair of scissors as well. And what we'll do is work 11 double crochet into our magic circle for a total of 12 stitches when you count that chain 2 at the beginning. Next, we'll slip stitch into the top of our chain 2 and then chain 2 again, and that will count as our first double crochet. Remember to use your stitch marker. I like to put my stitch marker into the last stitch. That way I know when I've gotten to the end of my round. This is a great opportunity for you to wrap your tail of yarn around your work as you work the next round. That way you don't have to weave in your tail ends later. For round 2, we're going to chain 2 and then work a double crochet into the same stitch as our chain 2, and that will count as our first increase. And then we're going to work 2 double crochet into each stitch the entire way around for a total of 24 stitches at the end. Alright, I'll meet you there. Great job. Alright, for round 3, we're going to slip stitch into the top of our previous chain 2, chain 2 again, which will count as 1 double crochet, and then we're going to work 2 double crochet into the next stitch, which is going to be an increase. And then we're going to do our increase pattern, which is 1 double crochet and then 2 double crochet into the next stitch for a total of 36 stitches all the way around when you count that chain 2 at the beginning. Alright, go ahead and I'll see you back. Alright, for round 4, we're going to slip stitch into the top of our previous chain 2 again, which will count as 1 double crochet, and then we're going to work 1 single double crochet to the next stitch, and then 2 double crochet into the third stitch, which will be our increase pattern. So the increase pattern is going to be 2 double crochet followed by an increase for a total of 48. Also, I wanted to mention, if you are working on the newborn hat, 36 stitches double crochet around is kind of what I worked out for the newborn, and I found 48 is really nice for a 1-year-old. All right, wonderful work. All right, now I was trying not to say all right. We're at round 5. So we're going to slip stitch into the top of our previous chain 2 again, and then which will count as 1 double crochet, and then we'll work 2 more double crochet, and then we will work an increase, okay? And then the increase pattern for this round is 3 double crochet into each stitch and then an increase into that 4th stitch for a total of 60 stitches all the way around. All right, see ya at the end. Oh, I said it again. Great job. Now it's time to choose your own adventure. If you are happy with the 60 stitches all the way around, then you are free to continue on for 12 rows to make kind of the bulk of your hat. Or if you want to go up 1 more size, then you can work a next increase round. So you'll slip stitch, chain 2, which will count as your first double crochet, and then you'll do 3 more double crochets and an increase, and then the pattern is going to be 4 double crochets and an increase into that 5th stitch for a total of 72 stitches all the way around, and then you'll work your 12 rows. All right, so I will see you at the end of your adventure. Welcome back. Here we have our cap. And it hopefully it fits you really nice and you're getting excited. And now's the part where we're going to add the brim. Okay. In order to work the brim, we are going to turn our hat inside out, chain 2, and then we are going to work 59 double crochets into the back loops only for a total of 60 stitches all the way around. And I'll see you back. And just so you know, the working into the back loops only is what creates this really nice little ridge there. All right. For rounds 19 to 23, we will do 60 double crochet under both loops all the way around to work the brim. And really the brim is up to you. It's basically however many rows that you want to do. I really like a thick chunky brim, but if you want one that's a bit thinner, then you work a few less rows. All right, see you back. Wonderful work. I hope the brim looks just how you'd like it. And now to add the last little bit of edging, we will work you'll do a chain 1 and then 59 single crochet into the back loop only, so it works out to 60 total stitches to create this nice little like edging here on your hat. Excellent. All right, I'll see you at the end. Lovely. Now we are going to cut our yarn and weave in our tail. And here's the finished hat. Oh, great job. It looks so cute. I can just see it. Also, please show me photos. I would love to see. Okay. And here you can add this little pom-pom. It's a faux fur attachment that came with a loop that I just sewed in. I'll put a link in the description box below for the one I used, but it's your hat. You get to decide kind of how you accessorize it, if you want to add a bow or ribbons. It's up to you, and happy gifting! Subscribe for more crochet tutorials. Thank you for watching, and take care of yourself and each other.